I've always had a passion for the industry and the technology itself, but as I've started teaching, I have that kind of, I guess, woke up something inside of me that I didn't know was there. I really enjoy teaching. I love seeing the light bulb come on for these students. My name is Geord Strother. I am the program coordinator for the Automotive, Diesel, and Collision programs out at East Campus. I joined the United States Air Force in 1999. I was an aircraft electrician on the B-2 stealth bomber. After a few years of that, I transferred into the vehicle maintenance side of the Air Force. I earned an associate's degree through the Air Force in both aircraft maintenance technology and vehicle maintenance technology. So fast forward to January of 2020. My time in the service is done. I'm retiring. Wanted to relocate to another place, so I came to Amarillo. I've always enjoyed the Panhandle and I like it up here, and always heard good things about Amarillo College, and applied here and started here as an instructor in August of 22. To succeed in the automotive and the diesel and the collision world, first of all, you need to have a passion. You know, it's something that you need to enjoy doing. You know, then a little discipline comes in, you know, behind that. We need to make sure you can show up on time. You need to make sure you're engaged, you know, the respect for others. Those are the three main things that I'm constantly stressing to the students. I want this to be a good learning environment. I want them to have fun. I want it to be something that they can look back on and be like, man, that was a good time of my life right there.